Hi all, this is the seventh tutorial from NJan in JavaScript category. Logical operator in JavaScript. What is logical operator? Types of logical operator and its samples. What is logical operator? Logical operator used to define logical combination. It is used mostly on logical and ternary operator. Meaning, for example, you having one if condition, you need to satisfy the combination of two values. For example, if maybe the age greater than 50 also less than 80, so those kind of combination you can able to achieve using this logical operator. Let me discuss detail. Types of logical operator: double and double or single or not. Definitely, you should know about this difference between double and single and, because most of the programmers unknowingly doing these mistakes of this double and single and also double and single or. Consider this example. Here I am having the variable called mark. It having the value of 80. So here I am having the mandatory thing, like if the user greater than 80, then first class. If the user greater than 50, then also it should be less than 80. So if I am keeping this if condition here, it won't be the problem. If I am keeping, even though if I am specifying greater than 50 itself, because if greater than 80 will cover here itself. So if I am moving this condition top, let's think about this scenario. Now I could not specify greater than 50 alone, because for example I'm taking 81. Sorry, I put double else here. Yes, I think now good. I am taking the 81, but it printing the second class. It should be the first class because it satisfying in the first class itself. So here the combination of logical operator is needed. So I need to specify like mark greater than 50 and mark less than 80. So now we will check. Yes, now I got the first class. I hope you understand this double and. The double and meaning it should be satisfy both. Maybe if you are having like a parenthesis, it will consider that also. For example, here I am having this one more bracket here. And mark. What condition I can put here? Maybe mark less than 80, or what I can put on my. Yeah, I changed the condition little bit to explain about this brackets priority. So now think about if the rule, if for example if I am getting the mark lower than 50, so previous case it is a failed, but there will be a case like if I am getting the mark greater than 40 and less than 50, but I am getting the lab 50, so it is considered as a second class. Maybe I am not sure there will be a rule like that in any university. Just consider I am having like that. So here I am think I am getting the mark 42. In lab I am getting 50. So now we will check I am second class. How it possible? Because it will consider as this is a parameter parenthesis. In this parenthesis I am having the and. So it will check it both has to satisfy. I am having the or. So it is not satisfied here, but still I am having the or. So it will check other condition, because and means all should get satisfied, or means maybe either one can satisfy. So it move on to this. It will check mark greater than 40, yes, less than 50, yes, this two and satisfy. Also I am appending one more under lab 50, then I am second class. So I got second class. Okay, you got what is and double and what is double or also. Now think about what is single and. if we are defining the and means it will satisfy, it will expected both should be true, then only it will get, not only the both, how many and you are specifying, all should be true, then only it will get success. So consider this example. For making the failure case, I am taking this example. Consider I am having the variable employee details, I don't have any data over there, even I am not initializing this. In condition I am checking employee not equal to undefined. Yes, the employee currently is undefined, maybe we will confirm that. Yes, it is undefined. If it is not equal to undefined, then employee details dot name not equal to undefined, then only we are printing having details. Yes, here I am having the double and, so it will get failed here itself because the employee details currently undefined. So if it is getting failed here, no need to check these things. If you are specifying and, that means double and, it's one is getting failed here, it won't move on to the next. So now let me check. Yes, it's not getting any error, it's not executed the our condition. Think about this, I am using the single and here. Now I am getting break because the employee details itself undefined, so trying to access on its property, so it's getting the fail. This is a mistake we are doing as a programmer. So we have to know where double and needed, where single and needed. Okay, move on to the or. I am having the name here. If name having value Raja, so I am having the condition, if the particular name is Raja or Nirmal, they are my friends. Yes, Raja is my friends. If I specify Nirmal, Nirmal also my friend from this logic, so you are my friend. So here I am using the double or operator. Let me think about the single or. For explaining the exception, I am taking this example, the same example what we discussed double and. So double and means it will get failed on one, it won't check others. Like the way double or, if one get satisfied, it won't check others, it will move on to, because any one satisfy or will be getting succeed. So no need of checking other. Consider this example, employee details, I am having the value, I am didn't assign any value, so I am getting the undefined. So here I am checking if employee details equal to undefined, or employee details dot name equal to undefined, I am printing don't have details. So our case getting satisfied here itself. So we are getting the data without any error, meaning don't have the details. So consider I am specifying the single or here, we will get an error. Anyway, even though if we are satisfied here, it try to check here, so we are getting break. So this is a major difference of double or and single or. So as a programmer, we have to consider these things. I hope you are clear on double and, single and, double or, single or. Let me move on to the not. Here I am having the variable called type of people. This having the value of adult. If the type of people not equal to child, then we are printing eligible for this horror movie. So this adult is eligible for horror movie. So if it is a child, so it won't allow. So the not define the opposite of the value. So it should not be same. So that is the case of this not operator. I hope you are clear on all the operators. Oh, thank you.